Time now, 11:40 in the morning time on this Tuesday morning, February 11th, 2014. Time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins, the Noontime Report. Tuesday, February 11th, 2014. Good afternoon, everybody. Our current conditions at 11:40 a.m. in North Massachusetts. Got a temperature 23 degrees with first skies. Humidity 44%, wind speed variable about 7 miles per hour, barometer 3.30 inches, dew point about 4 degrees, visibly 10 miles, and wind chill about 15 degrees. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope. Shows a couple of batches of snow showers off the southern Maine coastline. Minor snow flurries in central portions of Nova Scotia. Snow showers in southeastern portions of Quebec. Snow showers in southeastern portions of Prince Edward Island. Couple of blobs of snow flurries in central and western portions of New York around Rochester and Buffalo, and stretching out in central Ontario around Toronto. Couple of batches of snow flurries in northeastern Ohio around Cleveland, Ohio. And a batch of snow flurries in north of Pittsburgh. Snow showers off the Jersey coastline. And this is going to be our storm. Snow showers from much of North Carolina, stretching out of the northern South Carolina and the northern Georgia. Sleet showers from western Georgia from Atlanta, stretching out of northern Georgia down for central South Carolina, and that's batches of sleet showers in southeastern portions of North Carolina here. And a lot of rain showers down the North Carolina coastline, stretching out for South Carolina, central Georgia, central Alabama down for western Florida, down for the southern Alabama, Mississippi, down for Louisiana, and stretching it down to southeastern portions of Texas and south central portions of Texas. Sleet showers in central Texas and sleet showers in northeastern Texas, and snow showers in southern portions of Oklahoma and down the northern portions of Texas. And stretching out in southeastern portions of New Mexico. Snow showers in eastern portions of New Mexico. Snow showers in northern portions of Utah, down eastern portions of Idaho, down for central portions of Wyoming. Sleet showers in western and northeastern portions of South Dakota. Snow showers in eastern portions of North Dakota, down for southern portions of Manitoba, down for southwestern portions of Ontario. Snow showers in central portions of Saskatchewan. Snow showers in Montana, stretching in northern portions of Idaho, down for southern portions of Idaho, and northern portions of Utah. Rain showers in western portions of Oregon, stretching up into Washington State. Sleet showers in Oregon mountains and western Washington mountains. Sleet showers in southeastern portions of southeastern Washington and northeastern Oregon. Get some snow here. Snow showers in eastern portions of British Columbia. Snow in north central portions of Canada, of Alberta, southeastern portions of Alberta. Snow showers in Saskatchewan.
For example,
Sussex, Virginia. Good evening, 29 degrees. Good afternoon with clear skies. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop.
Still be able to help you. Again, if you purchased or refinanced your loan before
it shows a line of clouds from northern Mexico and Texas, stretching out of the southeast states and Carolina, stretching out to sea. Patch of clouds from northern New England, stretching out to New York State, Pennsylvania, stretching out from northern Iowa, down for Ontario, down for Michigan, and northern Indiana. And a patch of clouds from Kansas, stretching to Nebraska, down for northern Missouri, down for western Illinois, down for Minnesota, stretching to the Dakotas and the Northern Rockies, and the Pacific Northwest. Patch of clouds from Ontario, stretching to Manitoba, stretching out to Southern Saskatchewan, down Alberta, down to British Columbia. And a patch of clouds from northern Maine, stretching to Quebec and down to Atlantic Canada here. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation here. High pressure centered in eastern Iowa, Maryland, western Colorado, and northeastern portions of California. Low pressure in central Mexico. Low pressure centered off the Carolinas here. And a front of boundary down from Mexico. Front of boundary from southern Nevada down to Arizona. Front of boundary off the southern California coastline. Front of boundary from southeastern Saskatchewan down to Manitoba. Southern Quebec's got a front boundary from southern Quebec down to northern Maine. Station front, stretching it out to sea, and cold front through Florida, stretching it down to New Mexico, stretching to New Mexico, and a Colorado, and a station front from western Nebraska down for the Dakotas, and cold front from Saskatchewan down for Alberta, down to British Columbia. Warm front stretching down off the Oregon coastline. It's 20 degrees temperature right now here in Boston. It's 28 out in Washington, D.C., 37 in Atlanta, 78 out in Miami, 46 in Brownsville, 28 out in Dallas, 3 above in Kansas City, 0 in Chicago, 7 below in Minneapolis, 29 out in Denver, 35 in Albuquerque and Salt Lake City, 29 out in Great Falls, 53 out in Los Angeles, 49 out in San Francisco, and 43 in Seattle. Okay, let's take a look at map situation off. Current conditions: 22 in Boston, 20 out in Beverly, 21 out in Norwood 19 out in
40 or less.
Bedford, 19 out in Gloucester, 27 out in Marshfield, 23 out in Taunton, 22 out in New Bedford, 21 in Falmouth, and in Provincetown, 26 out in Chatham and Nantucket, 23 in Martha's Vineyard, 21 in TF Green and Warwick, 19 out in
Alice, come on over here. Good luck.
Smithfield, 14 in Worcester, 24 in New London, 20 out in New Haven, 22 in Bridgeport, 19 in Danbury, 20 in Waterbury, 21 in Meriden, 22 in Hartford, 20 in Windsor Locks, 20 in Springfield, 18 in Amherst, 25 in Greenfield, 14 in Bennington, 16 out in Albany, 21 out in Block Island, 22 in Islip, 22 in New York City, 16 in Keene, New Hampshire, 17 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 17 in Concord, New Hampshire, 20 out in Nashville, New Hampshire, and 18 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Want to say hi to somebody?
I'd like to say hi to my two BFFs, Sophie and Shari, my husband, Liz,
Let's take a look at that.
kids, my two grandkids, and my mom and dad.
HPC
Well, we'll hit the subject.
forecast discussion here.
Check us out at PriceRight.com. Follow us on Twitter @PriceIsRight. I'm going to show you the showcase next. We have two great ones. Look away.
A major winter storm will impact locations from Texas to the southeast coast on Tuesday before it moves up the eastern seaboard on Wednesday. Heavy rains and mountain snow is expected across the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies. Widespread precipitation will continue to develop to the north of the frontal boundary stalled out in the northern Gulf and off the southeast coast on Tuesday. A fresh supply of Arctic air in place will allow for snow within the northern fringe of the precipitation shield and warm Gulf air over. Running the boundaries should also cause wide swaths of freezing rain to the south of the snow axis. Conditions will really begin to deteriorate Tuesday night and Wednesday as a vigorous piece of energy ejected out of the plains helps spin up a surface low along the installed frontal boundary. The deepening low will have drawn additional moisture out of the Gulf, which will fuel heavier precipitation across the southeastern and Carolinas, including significant ice and snow accumulation once the intensifying surface low moves off the southeast coast and begins to trek up the eastern seaboard Wednesday night. Winter weather will start living in northward until the northern United States.
Whether you're new to Medicare or not, you may know
Active weather will continue across the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies in the next few days, where persistent uninsured flow, weak impulse of energy aloft, and orographics will combine to produce widespread moderate to heavy precipitation over the northwest corner of the nation. Snow levels will be relatively high across the region, but heavy accumulations are still expected along the higher elevations of the Cascades and Rockies. Light snow will be possible with a cold front dropping throughout the north central United States Tuesday and Wednesday, and limited moisture should keep accumulations to a minimum.
you visit any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients.
Okay,
And there are no networks.
forecast discussion here.
No, there are lots of plan options.
Dry and cold conditions are expected throughout Wednesday. A significant winter storm will likely impact the region Thursday and Thursday night, bringing heavy wet snow across the interior and snow change rain along the coast along with strong winds. Another weaker low pressure will move across Friday night into Saturday, followed by drier and colder conditions early next week. And near-term forecast: surface.
You know what else?
High pressure builds over the region today. Generally subsident air this afternoon should keep things dry. Cross section show lingering high arch between 925 millibars and 850 millibars of relative humidity. So this afternoon may again feature some direct clouds and temperature at 925 millibars and 900 millibars fully mixed with some equivalent to 19 Celsius below zero and 21 Celsius below zero. 850 millibars several and maximum temperatures of 20. Winds at that level are 15-20 knots, and so it could be some gusts in that range. Lingering ocean effects. No flurries and clouds over Parmesan, Truro area, and Cape and the Islands. There.
You do your push-ups today.
Prepare to be amazed.
Don't wait. Call today to request your free decision guide and find the AARP Medicare supplement plan to go the distance with you.
Okay, let us take a look at us. Potential for a significant storm
Oh, cool.
Don't miss NCISLA, CBS tonight.
on Thursday and Thursday night. Heavy wet snow in interior high terrain. Period of strong winds possible along the coast and isolated power outages possible, and minor coastal flooding in East Coast Massachusetts during high tide Thursday night. Potential heavy snow for much of central western Massachusetts and Connecticut. Snow change rain for eastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and eastern Massachusetts. Mainly rain on the Cape and Islands there. And snow develops south to north on Thursday morning. The snow change rain along the east of Interstate 95 corridor on Thursday afternoon. Heaviest snow Thursday afternoon and evening west of that Interstate 95 corridor there.
From Los Angeles to Juneau, Alaska, for a 6-night stay in a standard room at an elegant.
Hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous day 1 today tonight hazardous weather is not expected at the time, and day 2 for 7 Wednesday for Monday there will be moderate confidence that a significant storm will affect the region Thursday And Thursday night, there's still some uncertainty with details of the storm, but it does look like the system will affect the region. The main hazard would be expected to be heavy snowfall, mainly across the interior of southern New England, and moderate will work into coastal areas, possibly several miles inland, so there will be some snowfall before change over to rain. Probable snowfall will likely occur well inland, mainly north and west of Interstate 495. There'll be a good likelihood for strong east and northeast winds that will develop for a time along the east and south coast during Thursday. Wind headlines will likely be needed. There will be a low probability for minor coastal flooding along the eastern Massachusetts coast during the time of high tide on Thursday night.
Skyline from above during your 45-minute helicopter flight. And finally,
Alright, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For this afternoon, sunny skies, high near 27 degrees. Northwest wind about 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts as 21 miles per hour. Tonight, clear skies, low around 0 degrees. Northwest winds about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Wednesday, sunny skies, high near 27 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 7 below 0. Light and variable wind becoming north around 5 miles per hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, a slight chance of snow after 11 p.m. Increased skies with a low end 20 degrees. East wind about 3 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 20%. Thursday, snow before 2 p.m. Then rain and snow between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Then rain after 4 p.m. High near 36 degrees. North wind about 7 to 17 miles per hour. With chance of precipitation is 9%. Thursday night, rain before 1 a.m. Then a chance of snow. Low around 30 degrees. Plus 3, the chance of precipitation is 8%. Friday, most of the night skies high near 40 degrees. Friday night, a chance of snow. Most of the skies low around 26 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Saturday, chance of snow showers. Parts of the skies high near 37 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Sunday night, podcast skies low on 14 degrees. Sunday, most of the night skies high near 30 degrees. Sunday night, podcast skies low on 12 degrees. And for Washington's birthday, most of the night skies high near 32 degrees. Peters, what a phrase of the day. A sunny and a chilly day on tap. This BJ would say be a good day with a good positive attitude here.
500 dollars.